Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and how can I help you?
I would like to register for the English course.
Okay, we need to fill a form first. I'll ask you some questions. What is your name, please?
Berkant Dorsöz. I'm Berkant Dorsöz.
Okay, can you spell your surname, please?
Yes, D-O-G R-U-S-O-Z.
U-S-O?
Yes.
So it is D-O-G R-U-S-O-Z.
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Nevşehir.
And how old are you?
I'm 18.
18. Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student at Anadolu University.
Okay, Anadolu University. What do you study?
I study public relations and advertising.
Okay, public relations and what?
Advertising.
Okay, advertising. Where do you live?
I live in Eskişehir at a flat.
Eskişehir at a flat. Okay, what is your email address, please?
My email address is berkantdorsöz@gmail.com.
berkantdoğrusoz@gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay, and what is your telephone number?
It is 555 439
439
2883.
83. So it is 555 439 2883.
Yes, it's correct.
Thank you. Would you like to join the classes during the week or at the weekend?
What time do the lessons start?
We have two classes on weekdays. One of them is in the afternoon at 2:30. It is on Mondays and Wednesdays. The other one is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We start at 10 in the morning, but we have no classes on Fridays.
Do you have classes at the weekend?
Yes, we have weekend class. Our class begins at 11 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Very nice.
When would you like to join the class?
I would like to register for the class on Thursday.
Okay, Thursday
Yes.
and Tuesday.
Yes.
On 2 days. You can take your first lesson next week then.
So how much is the course for 1 month?
For 1 month, you pay 200 euros, but the weekend course is a little bit more expensive. Weekend course for 1 month is 250 euros.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Thank
See you later.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.